Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your My Band is charged above 20% and Bluetooth is on. Next, install MyFit or ZepLife and Google Fit, then sign into each app with the same phone. Once done, grant required permissions for location, physical activity, and background data so the apps can read and write step and heart rate information. These permissions let Google Fit aggregate metrics. Without them, the sync bridge won't function, so double-check each prompt before continuing. You now pair the band inside MyFit or ZepLife. Go to Profile, Add Device, and select your band model, then complete Bluetooth pairing. Once paired, open Google Fit, go to Settings, and select Manage Connected Apps to find MyFit or Zep. Tap to connect. Make sure you enable data sharing for steps, heart rate, and sleep, and confirm both read and write toggles. This creates the sync bridge so Google Fit ingests metrics from the band via the My app. You finish by forcing a sync in MyFit or ZepLife, and then opening Google Fit to verify recent steps and heart rate entries. If data is missing, restart your phone and reauthorize the permissions you granted earlier. That often restores the connection. If problems persist, clear the app's cache, update firmware and app versions, or unpair and repair the band. One key troubleshooting tip: double-check background activity permission for
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.